Hey, Delisa, thank you for the comment. Thank you for the question. The question is how to get an Hermes bag from the store. Can you tell us how to get one? Sorry for the delay in responding. It's just taking me a little bit of time to get back to everyone, and I want to do justice to each response and do a video response and kind of talk through it. First, let me preface that this is just my experience, my Hermes journey, basically. And everyone's different. Every country is different. Everyone's experience is different. But I can tell you there's a few ways that I've learned about how to get one, and I've tried and failed many times too. This was from Hermes Paris. This was my fourth trip and my fourth attempt and my fourth appointment. No, I think it was my fifth appointment because I got 2 appointments in one trip, but my fourth, appointment through the fourth trip trying. I think it's 2 on the same trip. Doesn't really, I can go into that more. And I do talk a lot about all of this. I have a whole Hermes journey YouTube playlist on my YouTube channel if you want to check it out, where it's a lot longer and I go into depth of every experience and what I learned from every experience, what the little tips and tricks from every experience, and also what things not to do, and also little things that I learned that I don't think that everybody knows, which I can go into more detail if you want to know as well. But basically for this trip, it was a leather appointment, and the thing I think that worked the best was to just ask for what you want and not compromise. Because every other trip I had been a little bit more open and I had said I want to get a few different things. But this trip I literally said one bag, one color, one size. That's it. Nothing else. No. Do you want to see anything else? No. Is there any other colors? No. Is there any other size? No. Very adamant. I didn't even get what I asked for. I got something different from what I asked for, but at least they brought me something close to what I asked for because I was so adamant about it. And I think that that's because if you give them multiple options, they either might think that you don't know what you want, or you're open to a bunch of things, or you're open to willing to take a bunch of different things. Whereas if 2 people ask for the same thing and one person has a few different options, I could take this size, this size, this size, this color, this color, this color, or these 3 bags, versus this person that's I just want this bag, and they only have the one bag, they're going to give it to the person that wants the one bag, and this person is going to get something else that they have in inventory that day, which may not be at all close to what they want. I still didn't get exactly what I wanted, but I got something so close because I think I stuck to just what I wanted. That was for France. On the France experience. If you want a video about my LA experience, US experience, I can do that. There's different experiences doing in the US. Different stores have different experiences, different cities have different experiences, and then also different countries have different experiences and different ways they do it. Asia does it differently than Europe does it, than India does it. I mean, Asia meaning China and Japan versus India. And my experience with all the things. And then there are different stores in the US that have different experiences too. Okay, this is very, very long roundabout say, but that was what worked for me. Also, going there and making the trip, I would say staying for at least 7 days, because I've learned from a lot of people on YouTube and other people's experiences that you need to be there for at least 7 days. Usually people get it on the 6th day, and that's what our experience was too. Every time we try for the lottery appointment, and then doing walk-ins around 11:30 and around 3:30, going in around there and asking and being really kind and just asking for an appointment, shopping in other departments a little bit, that helps. And then having a story, knowing what you want, and having a reason for why you're getting it, I think also helps too. I hope that all helps. If you want me to elaborate on any of that, I can. I just don't want to go too long on this video because I feel like it's already kind of long, but I can go very long. And like I said, I do have a lot more info on my YouTube channel if you want to check that out too. Okay, thanks, bye.